Hi everybody, Mr. Campbell back with another tutorial. I love you, I appreciate you, I am glad you're here. Today we're going to show you how to record a Google Meet. It'll be less than a minute. We're going to start a meeting here. How to record a Google Meet. That's today's question. We're going to click continue. We're going to jump into the meeting. I'm going to join now. I'm going to turn off some of the things that I have here. And the Google Meet is started. The Google Meet meeting is started down here with the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to click on Record Meeting. It's going to ask me if everybody here, if I have consent from everybody in the meeting. We're going to click Accept. I do. You'll notice up here in the top left-hand corner, next to the nod extension, I have a little record here, so that meeting is being recorded. If I want to stop recording the Google Meet meeting, go down here, click on Stop Recording. Again, I hope you found value in this video. It was very short, very easy, very quick. I love you. I appreciate you. I am glad that you're here. If this brought value to your life or solved a problem or answered a question, go ahead and hit subscribe somewhere around here floating at the bottom.